this still works. Good? Okay. Unit 2, today I will be speaking about Unit 2. Hello, I'm Zander, Junior Network Administrator at SBP. I have been tasked with a project to create a digital virtual solution, network solution that will meet our company's needs as we move from 2 physical office spaces to 1 and support the move from office working to online working. This transition is a crucial step at SPP as it will enable us to maintain productivity and security whether employees are working on-site or remotely. These are the topics that I will cover today. Wired networks use physical cables to transfer the data that we need, while wireless uses radio waves to transfer, offering more flexibility and mobility. And hybrid networks, while more complex, offer both of these as an option. A hybrid system was chosen by SBP for security reasons and flexibility. The OSI model is a theoretical framework consisting of 7 layers that work from the application to the physical layer. It's more valuable in understanding how different network components react because it has a constraint of it's more theoretical than practical in its implementation. The TCP model, which is a practical standard used for internet and network communications, consists of 4 layers and is less detailed than the OSI model, but it's more widely used as it's simpler in implementation. The 802 network standard, such as Ethernet 802.3 and Wi-Fi 802.11, are specific networking technologies that standards updates. That standardizes the update processes for networks. Network topology refers to how the network is running and built, such as the star topology where network devices are connected to a central hub or switch, which is easy to isolate the rest of the network separately, and buses where there's one main central cable where all the devices connect to, which makes it more difficult to limit the spread of errors and hacks, and it can also lead to bandwidth limitations due to the one cable. Mesh is where all the devices connect to each other in one large net, which has high redundancy and reliability but is very complex to manage. Next is unicast, broadcast, and multicast, their purposes and their reasons. Unicast involves one sender and one receiver. This is for direct and private communication. Broadcast is one sender and most of the network receives the signal and messages, which is helpful for company-wide alerts. Multicast is from one sender to designated receivers, which is efficient for sending application data where it needs to be without any problems. IPv4 is the most common network standard that's used, as it uses 32-bit addresses to identify devices on networks, and it's well established and sufficient for most applications. While the newer IPv6 with its 1 to 8-bit address space offers improved security and features, it also has a much larger range address, which is essential for a growing number of internet connected devices. And ATPCS protocol is used for secure communication encryption between data for client and servers. This is particularly important for SPPs, online services, and ensuring remote work connections. Routers direct packets between different networks and is crucial for managing traffic in SPPs, internal and external networks. Switches connect devices within the network, improving flow by efficiently managing the internal data and assign bandwidth to spaces that needed and data streams. Firewalls are a security device that block, monitor, and control traffic, protecting the network from unauthorized access from any potential threats. The VPN server secures the remote connections from workers acting remotely. This is crucial for SPD's work model, ensuring that employees can safely access internal resources while they are anywhere. While the wireless access points in the hybrid system provide seamless Wi-Fi connectivity in the places where LAN cables can't reach. File servers maintain the centralized storage for all of SBB's needs, while the web servers host the websites and applications for delivering content to the users and clients. Database servers manages and stores data supporting applications with efficient data retrieval and storage, and the VPN servers are for remote users connecting to work. Workstation hardware is components such as the CPU, RAM, network interference cards. These elements have impact on network performance directly. For instance, a high-speed NIC is crucial for fast and efficient data transfer, while the CPU is needed for direct management of the network. Networking software includes the operating systems, drivers, and management tools, and it must be compatible with the hardware and configured network support. Any questions?
Yes. Which topology used and why?
It's a hybrid between star and bus because it has multiple switches connecting to the routers, allowing for efficient communication. But it's it's star and mesh because star allows the isolation of switches, allowing a part of the affected network to be cut off from the rest, while the mesh allows efficient communication between the different teams and segments in the network.
What about security?
Security, there's a firewall in place to block external threats from entering through the ISP to filter traffic and ensure that it's just VPN users or legitimate traffic trying to access the web servers.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for joining me. That bright light is so bad.